Hi darklings, and welcome back to my channel. Victoria Lovelace here. How are you guys? I am very good today. As you can see, I'm not wearing any wig, because in this video I'm gonna talk a little bit about my wigs, because I have a lot of wigs and I want to show you some wigs, and also talk about the lace front wigs I have, which a lot of them coming actually from Amazon. So there are cheap lace front wigs under $50. So I'm gonna try those wigs because I have some new wigs too I haven't tried on. So we're gonna see how they really look like and all the wigs is coming from Iwona Wigs. So I'm gonna show you those because they also have an Amazon shop, and I'm gonna put the link to their Amazon shop in the description, and also link to all the wigs I'm showing in this video. So let's see, I'm gonna start trying them on and really see how they really look like, because they are very cheap. First I am of course gonna put on a wig cap, as of course I always wear, but I don't really wear anything else than a wig cap. There we go, the wig cap is on. So let's try the first wig I got from Iwona Wigs. It looks like this. It's a blonde one. So let's open it. Feels very soft. Very soft. It's long, very long. The hair feels very thick. These have a lot of hair, a lot. And the lace front, it looks like this. So let's try it on. I'm gonna need to cut the lace front, as I always do. But this is with the lace front on. So it looks like this. Very nice. It's very soft. It's very long. I just wish that maybe the color would have been a little bit more silver, but that's just my personal opinion. But very soft, very nice, and this is how the lace front looked like that. You can barely see it, so I don't know how it's gonna look if you are a little bit dark skinned than I am, but very nice. It's very soft. So let's see, and now we're gonna try another one. So this was the blonde one. And they also have this one. I also got this one. It's all those wigs coming from Iwona Wig. It's a little bit darker blonde. And this also comes with a wig cap. So all of them comes with a wig cap. Usually I prefer those wig caps that is more like a net, instead of those that is more they're more like stocking thing material, but I prefer those. So let's see this one. It looks like that. Also have the lace front, like this. It have a little bit curly, just a little bit. So let's try this on too. And for me, it's still the same thing. I think this one is a little bit too yellowish for me, but that's is a personal opinion. But like this feels very natural, very soft, and those curls, a little curls, is amazing. So it looks like this, and this is the lace front. Of course, I have to cut it too. I always cut it very like to the hairline. So this is how it looks like, and this looks like real. It looks like real, even if it's very cheap and under $50. Very nice. It's very nice too. Awesome. Let's try the other wigs. Always stuck in earrings, always. You guys know that wear wigs like it's the daily problem. Let's move on to the next one. I see finally something in color, and that's always making me happy. So this is a purple one. It's short one. I don't think I have any wigs that is short like this, but the color is amazing. Look at this. It's very nice. Wow. And look, it's have like a little bit like a V shape. The lace is like a V shape. It's gonna be interesting to try this on. This one, the lace is already cut, so I don't need to do that. Like the other one. Nice. I think this one is my favorite one so far. A little bit short, still a little bit short for me, but I think this one's probably never gonna be tangled. Never. Look at this. So soft and feels so natural. Look at the hairline too. It looks like very, very natural. Very. This is pretty. Nice. It just feels weird to like see myself with that short hair. It's like it's very short for me. So I don't know about that, but the color is amazing. So we take this off and we try the next wig. And a little reminder that all those wigs are from Iwona Wigs, and I post the links in the description. Here we have another one. It's a blonde one too. Looks a little bit similar like the other one. And here is also a wig cap too that's coming in the package. So let's see, interesting what I have in here. Comes with a little, it looks like a little wig stand actually. I'm not sure if it does, but it looks like that. So here, it looks like this. It's also a little bit shorter, a little curly, a little bit different from the other blonde wigs. Let's try this on. It always look crazy. But there we go. And this one I'm gonna need to fix cut the lace. But look at this one. Wow. This one is awesome. I just maybe wish a little bit, but that's also a personal opinion that the color would be slightly different. Look, I love this little, like, wow. It's awesome. So soft. It feels like so natural, like real hair. This is crazy. This is totally crazy. Look at this. Wow. Maybe it doesn't really fit with the red eyebrows, but this is nice. It's very nice. Let's try. I'm excited to try the other ones too. So let's move on to the next one. Look what I have here. This color, I'm going back to my roots, the silver blonde. I'm always gonna be more excited for the silver blonde colors because that's my color. So this looks like it's my color. Let's try this one. Wow, look at that. That's what I said. This is like the other ones, but it have more like white silver tone, which I love personally. I love that, but everybody's different, so but it's just my personal opinion. So let's try this one. Ooh, I feel like I am home with this color. Wow, look at this. Ooh, this feels like me. More like Victoria Lovelace here. Wow, this is so nice. Look at, oh, look at the curls. So far, I think actually this one is my favorite one. I think. Wow, this is so nice. Look at this. Ooh, nice. Hey. This is like Marilyn Monroe, Lovelace. This is awesome. So let's move on and try, I think, the last wig, which is gonna be another purple one. Here I have this one here, and I think you guys probably have seen that video. I mean, see that wig in some other videos I upload before, but I still want to show you that wig because it's also from Iwona Wigs. So it's gonna be the last one. Let's try it. There. Look at this. Look at the curls. Look at this. Wow. And there's the lace front. Like that. I already cut it though, because I have already wear these wigs, but I still want to show it. Very soft. The curls, look at that. They're amazing. Wow. That's awesome. Let's try this on too. There. Woo. There we go. Here I am. Ah, look at this one. Wow. It's amazing dark purple. Wow. Well, you guys have already seen me wear this one, but I still want to show it. That was the last one. This is the last one of my wigs I got from Iwona Wigs. And you have the link in the description. And overall, I'm shocked. Those wigs are amazing. They are cheap, under $50. And they are just so natural. Like, everybody like think everybody at school, everybody saying, oh, it's your real hair. How do you dye your hair? No, I said, this is a wig. This is a wig. Wow, really? Yes, it is. Couldn't believe it was just not natural hair. But yeah, no, it's not even that. This is like, wow. It's like, I am shocked how beautiful wigs, natural wigs you can get for under $50 just on Amazon. And I hope you guys find this video enjoyable, that you like this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up and like it and comment, and also subscribe to my channel because more videos like this is gonna come. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!